Hello students, welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to discuss about New Law College. So today we'll see how many seats are available in this college का admission process क्या है, and how much score is required in CET Law examination to get admission in this college. So this college is located in Matunga, which is in Mumbai, and this college is also affiliated to the University of Mumbai. So now talking about the number of seats available in this college. So for 3 years LLB program, ये college में total 240 seats available है. And just to update, this college do not offer 5 years law program. ये college में सिर्फ 3 years law program ही होता है. So now talking about the expected score required in 2021 examination. So if you are targeting this law college, then you need to score more than 99 marks out of total 150 marks to secure admission in this college. And in case if you have started your preparation and you want to know your preparation level, so for that we have launched a free mock test on our application. You can download this application from Play Store, and also the application link is available in the description box. So you can download it and you can come to know your preparation level by giving this mock test. So now talking about the admission process. So for 3 years LLB program, you need to appear for 3 years Maharashtra Law CET examination. So first step comes here is to prepare for the examination. The next step is to register yourself for the examination. After that you get the hall ticket. हॉल टिकट में जो एग्जामिनेशन सेंटर होता है, आपको वो एग्जामिनेशन सेंटर पे जाके एंट्रेंस एग्जाम देना होता है. आफ्टर दैट यू गेट योर रिजल्ट्स, एंड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दैट एक ऑनलाइन सेंट्रलाइज्ड एडमिशन प्रोसेस होता है जिसको हम कैप राउंड भी बोलते हैं, वेयर यू आर सपोज टू सिलेक्ट द कॉलेज प्रेफरेंसेस, एंड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दैट यू आर अलोकेटेड वन कॉलेज. एंड आपको जो कॉलेज अलोकेट हुआ है, आपको वो कॉलेज में जाके डॉक्यूमेंट सबमिशन करना होता है, एंड देन फाइनली यू गेट एडमिशन इन दैट पर्टिकुलर लॉ कॉलेज. So this was the admission process. In case if you have any doubts or any questions, you can put your question in the comment section, and you can also directly contact us on 8383818888, and you can also access to our website, that is www.beducare.com. And in case if you have not started your preparation, you can start your preparation for CET law examination with us. We are coaching classes for Maharashtra CET law examination. We provide classroom coaching in Mumbai. We provide live classes. We also provide video lecture programs, and we also provide books as well as mock tests. Our application is available on Play Store as well as it is available on Apple Store. So you can download the application and give the mock exams, and you can also access other courses. Also, if you want to know more about this college, and in case if you want to know more about Maharashtra CET law examination, you can contact us on this number, and you can call or WhatsApp on this number also. Thank you so much for watching this video.